Welcome to our OctaiPipe how-to series. In this video, I will present how to use the OctaiPipe preprocessing step. Real-world data is messy, therefore data preprocessing is usually the first step of a machine learning pipeline. Most of the time, we use the same methods, so we have turned it into an easy step to apply. Let's get started. Let's say you're working with this CSV file. It contains one categorical column, several sensor columns, and the target variable called RUL. In order to run the preprocessing step, like with any OctaiPipe step, you need a configuration file. In the output data specs, we enter the information to read data from the CSV file. We enter the file path in this field here. To keep the data storage formats consistent, we will output another CSV file, saved under this name in the output data specifications. We will apply two processing steps here. We will encode the categorical variable and normalize the numerical variables. As we do not want to normalize the target variable, we exclude it from the normalization by writing the label name and its data type in the running specifications. And because we do not want to use the option to split our data into a training and testing set, we set this parameter to false. For the normalization and encoding step, we can specify which method to use by choosing the supported encoders and scalars from the scikit-learn library. In this example, there is a one-to-one mapping between the steps and the preprocessor steps, but there are other steps that don't always require specifications. Now let's run the step. As you can see, the output CSV file has just been created here. Let's have a quick look at it. We can see that the numerical column have been normalized and the categorical column has been one-hot encoded. Thanks for watching our OctaiPipe preprocessing video. Check out our other OctaiPipe demo videos and please get in touch if you want to see more features and how-to guides or if you have any questions.